Hi, today we're going to talk about divots and low point. Really the best way to discover this is through a couple chipping shots, and that'll help you figure out where your divot starts and ends and where your low point is in the divot. First of all, let's just talk about a little bit about divots and low points. The average tour player's divot, the deepest part of it, or the low point, occurs 4 inches in front of where the golf ball was. It's pretty far in front of the golf ball. The average 0 to 9 handicapper's divot occurs about 1.5 inches in front of the golf ball, the deepest point of that divot. Now here's the big staggering statistic. The average 10 to 20 handicapper's divot actually starts the deepest point almost 2 inches behind where the golf ball was. Okay, so you'll notice there that the greatest players' divots are all in front of the golf ball, and the deepest point is really far in front of the golf ball. So today we're going to teach you how to discover where your divot is and where your low point is, and maybe how you can explore with getting it a little bit better. It's a real simple exercise. Take a tee, put it in the ground. That's going to simulate where the golf ball is. So, simply set up in your chipping stance, making sure that your body is kind of leaned towards the target. Start making some swings, and just see where your divots are. Right? And then play with it. See how far in front of the tee you can make a divot. Remember, that deepest low point should be a couple inches in front of the golf ball, and the tour players are as much as 4 inches. Okay? Once you discover that and play with it, add a golf ball in, and see if you can do the same thing. The whole idea here is that nothing is really wrong or right. The whole point is you got to just experiment and kind of figure out what you need to do to move your low point forward. Loosen up your body, loosen up your hands, and just try it. See what happens. Try that to improve your divots.